Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get a discount on Ticket Liquidator. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Ticket Liquidator deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. First, go to the Ticket Liquidator website and browse for the event, concert, game, or show you want to attend. Use the search bar to find your event and compare the available ticket options. Before making a purchase, check the homepage for any current promotions, special offers, or discount codes. You can also sign up for Ticket Liquidator emails to receive updates about upcoming sales, exclusive deals, and promotional offers. Once you've selected your tickets, click on them to view the seating details, pricing, and delivery options. Add the tickets to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for a promo code or discount code field. If you have a valid coupon code, enter it and click apply to see if the discount is added to your order. Review your order carefully, including ticket prices, service fees, and delivery charges. You may also want to compare different seating sections, as ticket prices can vary significantly depending on location and availability. If you're flexible with your seats, choosing a different section may help you save money. Before completing your purchase, double-check that any available discount has been applied successfully. Then enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. After placing your order, watch your email for future promotions, special event offers, and discount opportunities that may help you save on future ticket purchases. You can also check Ticket Liquidator before major holidays or special sales events, as additional promotions are sometimes offered during those periods. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Ticket Liquidator deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.